Introducing Virtual Business Coaching 2.0, helping you to take your business to the next level. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you how to boost your business in just 8 weeks following our unique Business Growth Accelerator. Before we start, here's a quick introduction to me. I'm not one of those that spend hours telling you how great I am, but here's what you need to know. I'm a business author, mentor and success coach. I've spent the last 30 years running successful businesses all over the world and studying why some businesses are successful and others are not. For the last 10 years, I've been mentoring and coaching other business owners so that they can achieve the success that they're looking for. Along the way, I've written several books on various topics, but all related to building a better business, including Implementation, the Art of Success, how you too can create a business that works for you, not the other way around. How to set your prices for maximum advantage. The 3 biggest mistakes people make when starting a business. 42 secrets to building a better business. How to stop competing on price and finally have the confidence to charge your worth. And the Build a Better Business Instruction Manual, Volume 1. All of these are available on my website. Okay, that's all you really need to know about me, but let me ask you a question. Where would you rate your business today on a scale of 1 to 10? With 10 being the best. If you rated your business less than an 8, then you need to keep watching and listening. Our virtual business coaching is all about supporting business owners like you through an accelerated program, allowing them to take their business to the next level. The most successful business owners recognize that in order to succeed, they need to improve themselves and their business. The process of building a business is often assumed to be beyond the ability of most people. This is because the process is thought to be complicated and the preserve of MBAs, entrepreneurs and business moguls. Nothing could be further from the truth. Building a successful business can be easily achieved by most people if they follow a proven step-by-step process. There are generally 3 issues that hold people back. The first one is lack of knowledge. Now, most people are experts in what they do. They may be a fantastic retailer, a fantastic tradesperson, website developer, marketeer, etc., etc. But that does not mean they are necessarily experts in building businesses. Sometimes people just don't know how or what they need to be doing to get where they want to be. Number 2, lack of direction. Lewis Carroll said it best when he said, "If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there." The lack of direction is a real business killer. Number 3, lack of accountability. As a business owner, the good news is that you're your own boss. Of course, the bad news is that you're your own boss. You don't have anyone to hold you accountable for your actions or, just as important, inactions. These are the chains that hold you back. And the thing is, you can't break the chains on your own. You need a CAD system to break the chains. CAD is knowledge, accountability and direction. And here's how we help with all 3 of these to get you and your business back on track. So let's look at this in detail. Number 1, knowledge. You'll get access to 8 intensive online training sessions that are proven to provide you with the necessary tools for you to build a successful business. You'll get access to our online training videos, a book summary hand-picked for each topic, and our step-by-step strategies, all designed to help you build a better business. Here's how we help you gain the knowledge you need to build a better business. So, in session 1, we look at the 11 fundamental mistakes that most businesses are making, and after this session, you will know each of these and know how to overcome them. Session 2, Marketing 101. In this session, we explore the fundamentals of marketing that even professionals don't know. After this session, you'll know how to position your business as the number 1 in your market. Session 3, How to set your prices for maximum advantage. In this session, we'll show you how to control your prices and to start to accelerate your profits. Session 4, How to get more stuff done. In this session, we'll look at how to stop procrastinating and get more stuff done. High productivity is a vital skill for all entrepreneurs. Session 5, Sales 101. Even if you're planning on hiring sales staff, you need to watch this session. You'll learn vital sales skills to set you on the path to success. Session 6, How to create the right attitude for a lifetime of success. Then we'll show you how to set and achieve goals using our simple goal achievement system. We'll give you some great tools and tips that will help you not only in your business but in life in general. Session 7, The numbers that really matter in your business. To run a successful business, you need to know your numbers inside out. In this session, we'll show you the numbers that really matter and how to use them to grow your business. Session 8, How to make your business 5 times more valuable. We'll look at the fundamentals of building a successful business and how to make a business both scalable and sellable. Each session will last around about 30 to 40 minutes and be delivered via video, so you can watch it at your own pace and you can replay it if you want to get even more. Each session also comes complete with its own workbook for you to download and to use, so you can write down your ideas there and then. And guess what? There'll be plenty of those. Number 2, direction. We provide you with the necessary tools to enable you to set goals that will inspire you to want to move forward, and then we help you with the business planning to ensure you go in the right direction. Using our unique set of tools that will guide you through the process, you'll end up with a plan that will guarantee your success if followed. Which brings us on to number 3, accountability. Once you've established where you want to be, then we mentor and support you on your journey. However, accountability is a vital part of achieving the holding of your feet to the fire to ensure that you do what you said you would do. Building a successful business is about getting stuff done. It's no good just watching and reading without taking action. Our commitment system is about holding you accountable. This is what we call a no excuse zone. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. Each week, you're going to make a commitment to get something done before the next session. This doesn't have to be a big thing, but it does have to be something that moves your business forward. Progress is often made in baby steps rather than large strides. Here's some of what you'll benefit from our virtual business coaching program. 8 intensive online training sessions, a £400 value. A library of business templates, a £575 value. A business coaching session, a £150 value. 12 months continuing business support, a £480 value. 12 months access to our unique commitment system, a £150 value. What's your investment for all of this? Your total investment for all of this £1,755 value is an incredibly smart investment of only £497. This is a stunning 71% discount. And even better, we give you 2 ways to pay. You can do a single payment of £497 or 3 payments of £170 each, 30 days apart. We're so confident that you'll get awesome value and benefit from the 8 weeks that you spend using our virtual business coaching system that we back it with our 100% happiness guarantee. Put simply, if at the end of 8 weeks you're not delighted with the training we've given you to improve your business, then just tell us and we'll refund every penny of your money. There is one small caveat. Of course, this means that you have to do your part as well. You must have watched all 8 sessions and completed at least one of the commitment forms for each of the sessions. To get immediate access to all of this £1,755 value, just hit the button below to get started today.